So we're going to start in first position facing the bar. Let me cover a few of the things that we talked about last week. When we stand facing the bar, the ballet bar, we don't want to stand too close to the bar, nor do we want to stand too far away from it. We want to stand so our elbows are just slightly in front of our rib cage, just a little bit. If you take the center of your body, I was to line my elbows up right in the middle of the body. You'd want those just a little bit in front of that spot, okay? A couple inches in front. Fingertips on the bar. You don't want to do the bar with your elbows up. You'll see a lot of students, even professionals, will be standing like this. This is sort of bridging our balance with our arms. We don't want to use our arms to help stabilize our body. So the best way to do that, to prevent that, is to allow your elbows to drop into your body and have a very relaxed grip on the bar. So just your fingertips on the bar. So we're going to start in first position. Remember how we get there for you guys, especially until you get used to sort of your organic turnout. Rock back on the heels, open, and lower them down. Remember, don't force your turnout. We want to have the weight on the balls of the feet, so we don't want to rock back on the heels. We want to be over the balls of the feet and the first two toes.